আজকের সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড মধুবনীর এপিসোড। সমস্ত হ্যান্ড পেন্টেড মধুবনী পেন্টিংগুলো করা হয়েছে তসর এবং নানা রকমের সিল্কের শাড়ির ওপর, এবং তার সাথে সাথে আমি কিছু মধুবনী হ্যান্ড পেন্টিং দুপাট্টাও দেখাবো, যেটা আগের বার প্রচুর ডিমান্ড হয়েছিল, অনেককে দিতে পারিনি। এবারে নতুন আরও প্রচুর মধুবনী পেন্টিং দুপাট্টা হয়ে এসছে, সুতরাং সেগুলো কিন্তু আজকে দেখাবো। সুতরাং দেখতে শুরু করি আজকে 141st এপিসোড সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। আমি লাদিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। 1 নম্বর প্রোডাক্ট তসরের ওপর ভার্নির কাজ। কালারটা হচ্ছে লাইট মফ কালার, খুব সুন্দর একটা ভারী মিষ্টি নতুন কালার, খুব সুন্দর তসরের ওপর হালকা ওয়েটের কাপড়, ভীষণ পরে কমফোর্টেবল, পরেও আরাম পাবেন। দেখুন এটা হাফ শাড়ি পুরোটা অল ওভার কাজে যাচ্ছে, পুরোটা হ্যান্ড পেন্টিং ইন লাইট ল্যাভেন্ডার কালার, মফ কালারের ওপর করা হয়েছে মধুবনী পেন্টিং, ভার্নির কাজ, সমস্ত মিথিলা পেন্টিং, pure hand painted Bharni Madhubani in pure tussar, all over painting done. See, all over work, it's not half, it's all over work. This is the blouse piece. This is the back side of the blouse piece, and there will be this narrow border which will come in the sleeves. This is the sleeves part. So this, just for your how it will look on wearing. See, all over painting, and the beautiful, very unique first time shade light lavender color. I've got another piece in lavender. The color is same, but just the painting changes. All Bharni work in pure tussar. See the work, lovely hand painting done. Very pretty. These are all painting and outline done in absolutely hand paint, no block printing. These are all hand painting done. Again, same light lavender. This is dusty lavender, beautiful shade. This is the blouse piece. This is for the sleeves, and this is for the back. This too all over hand painting work. Very soft tussar. Usually I always show in the virgin color, but this is a very new soft natural color, I mean natural dye, beautiful shade. Now coming to this tussar color that I always tell you, the virgin color, little peachish tussar color, butter color you can say. See the lovely painting. Can you imagine, the whole thing is painted and then everything outline is done in nib. It's a very traditional art from Mithila. Achol, actually all over sari it's painting. See the paint. Again, this is the blouse piece border for the sleeves, and this is for the back. Another beautiful painting, natural color. Peachish butter color. The prices is clearly mentioned in the description part. Just see the scroll is going. The prices are all mentioned clearly. Once the product which you are liking, your selected products, please take the screenshot of the product with the number mentioned, the product number mentioned, and WhatsApp to any one of the number. No phone calls, only WhatsApp bookings are accepted. This is the blouse piece for this, and here is the back of the blouse. Since these are hand painting, please note there will be one or two spots. I'm clearly showing you these are hand painting, not screen print. These are hand painting, so one or two spots will be present here or there. Please don't think it is a defect, because these are hand painting. It's very obvious with so much of painting. There will be, see, one tiny spot here. These are very natural, this thing that you have to accept in hand painting. Kalamkari, Madhubanis, Kathas, these are very common in these handwork products. 8,500 for this all over. Bharni, pure Tussar, Madhubani. Again, this is totally new. Tussar with Bharni work, but again I'll show you why it is new. Magenta color, half and half. Half sari body part will be fully painted. This is the body part. Till your pleats, the whole sari will be hand painted. And after the pleat, the daman will be painted. This is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. See, the tussar, you may find it glazy, yes, because of the polish. These painting are to bring out the brightness. The tussars are polished, they polish in such a way that there is a glaze, but it's pure tussar, 100% pure tussar, and 100% hand painted done on this. So just because of the polish, there is slight glaze in the sari, because it's silk tussar. See the painting in magenta. Another one in magenta. So two pieces, different design. Those who wants to avoid the tussar color, because in the body the tussar color only will come, only in the pleats the bright magenta color will come, but it looks very pretty. Half and half with dye. This is the new one, new concept. This is the blouse piece, magenta blouse piece, contrast with the body color. See how grand it is looking. Similar one, wine color, 8500. So you get both the thing. The pleat part will be daman work, and you'll get a lovely shade of bright color also, dye color also. See the pallu. Very traditional hand painting. Usually these paintings involve living beings, animals and figures, so, and with flowers. This is the traditional painting. See the pleats, rich wine color, and this is the blouse piece. So pleat and this part you can understand, the pleat and this half and half part. All these pictures, still pictures of Madhubani, will be uploaded in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided. In the album Hand Painted Madhubani, you can check out the still pictures of this to get an idea how it looks. Now this is a lovely geometric painting I had worn in one of the episodes earlier, and there was that similar kind of geometric painting, not involving much figures. Mainly these are geometric forms. This is the pallu. Rich red color, half and half again. Being this the blouse piece. See the painting, stunning painting. This is, the outline is blue dominant. Now this one I'll show you, same painting but different color combinations. So all the combinations are very pretty. Here this is blue dominant, the painting. The mannequin is wearing a same painting which is a little orange dominant. Similar blouse piece it will have, see. This is the painting. So half and half, you can see, understand how pretty this is looking. Half sari, full painting till your pleats, body fully painting. The blouse will be red with the border, and these are 8500, all hand painted. This a bit orange dominant in bright red. Now another one, almost same painting, but since the colors little here and there, that's why I'm showing you all the pieces available. So that this is red dominant again. Now see here the mainly red. So you can see the difference, little difference, but almost same. So whichever you like. See here, this part is orange, this is blue. So that's why I'm showing you very prominently and clearly, so that I don't show you this and send you this. Even though this is the same this thing. So I'm showing you all available ones, whichever you want. Please take the screenshot of the product. Same price, product number 98500, pure tussar, hand painted Madhubani. Here is the pleat. Pleat part, and this is the blouse piece. Achol. No figure, only geometric patterns. Now ghicha tussar, like what I am wearing. Product number 10, 6850. Rust color, beautiful shade, pure tussar ghicha painting. Achol, 6,850 rupees. Peacock and figures, birds, temple design in the border. Puja collection is already in store. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Puja stock has, as I said, has already come, and Sundays we are remaining open till the Durga Pujas every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 at night. So you can please visit for more collection, more options. Tailoring department, we are taking stitching orders, and men's section, dhotis, kurtas, men's ethnic wear is available in the Cornfield Road branch. Similar Ghicha one in wine color. Again, wine I had worn in Ghicha in the first Madhubani episode I had shown. Deep wine color. Beautiful hand painted pallu. Even the border is so smart. Very neat painting. Very neat painting. Previous few episodes I was a slow because my phone got so many pictures. Now I have more than 17,000 pictures in the phone, and the phone gets hanged so often. And mostly, please let me tell you to all the karigars, giving due respect, you keep sending me your samples, your pictures. There are so many karigars and weavers who keep sending me to purchase from them. Let me tell you, we have a very good team who's been working with us, the weavers, the embroiders, the stitch, the ones who does the polish, everything for the past 26 years. And we've retained them through the pandemic and throughout whatever storm and hail, they've been with us. So I'm not going to change my team. And even if your work is better or even if your charges are cheaper, I'm happy with my team. So please don't send me. I have to just delete so many pictures. I have to keep deleting, and it takes a lot of my time also. So all our products are in-house production. These Madhubanis, these photos have been revolving around so many groups with my pictures, though that's not their products. There are so many resellers and all, they are sharing my pictures, claiming them to be theirs. I don't know how can they do it, because I'm there, it's very visible, I'm there in the photo, but still it's revolving, this kalamkari and Madhubani. Before I used to feel very irritated because of all this, but now I feel it very funny. And anyway, so let's get back to the product that I'm showing you. This is again Ghicha Tussar, olive green with again hand painted. See the painting, so artistic. This is a very pretty half and half painting done in pure Ghicha Tussar. Very neat, সূক্ষ্ম কাজ, ভীষণ সূক্ষ্ম ডেলিকেট পেইন্টিং করেছে এটা, কিন্তু অসম্ভব সুন্দর। and even the olive green, and see the pleats, broad pleats, see the pleat work, bharni work, and very neat finish, prominent, very well painted. Throughout painting, half sari, see the painting, and then rest in the border, broad border, and then comes the blouse piece. This color is also very pretty, rich olive. Again, I missed out the price. If I miss out the prices, please check the screenshot, it's clearly mentioned. Now this is 7900, sorry. These are again new designs, half and half in pure Ghicha Tussar bharni work, hand painted. See, this is that previous one was in olive. This is in rust. This is the minimum range I can offer. I mean, so much of hand painting done, it takes so many months to do it, but still, and that also in pure Tussar. See the pallu. $7200, lovely painting, and so much of hard work has gone into it. There's a story in each drape. Color is rust, and here is the blouse piece. We have only 2 branches in Kolkata, no other branches, 2 branches in Kolkata, and we are open every day now. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. International shipping are done regularly. Again, for booking, no phone calls, only WhatsApp messages, and for calls, please dial 983 number in case of emergency. Message me, definitely you'll get the reply, even if it's slightly late, because you can understand. I mean, I have to sit with my team, the do my shoots, get stuffs ready. That also involves a lot of time, and though my SMSs replies are very short, I'm sure you will get the answer what you need. If I miss out your messages, please don't get angry. Please resend it once again. Again, a lovely shade of yellow in tussar. See the painting, beautiful hand painting in yellow. Bharni. Half sari. This is also half and half. Pleats. Here the full pleat is with painting, broad pleat, and here is the blouse piece painting here. See the pleat, so pretty. Now a black, always gorgeous, 8500. See, first time I'm opening the polish in front of you, all for you, all new collection. Because of the heavy rains, these paintings were on hold. So after a long time, I'm showing you Madhubani again. Next Madhubani will probably after Puja, Diwali maybe. 8500, because these take so long, and I don't push them to do it fast, because the work will not be good if I push the hand painters. Hand painting, hand embroidery, you should give the liberty of time. You should give them time actually. This is the blouse piece. See the painting, how lovely the painting is. Black color. So half sari is fully embroidered, I painted, and the rest broad pleat. So it's almost all over painting. The all over are 800, and these are cheaper, just to keep the price down. All over are also same type only, just little bit more in the pleat maybe. So this is a border pallu concept in Ghicha Tussar, 6850, number 16, 6890 in magenta. See, very pretty, neat painting. Fish design with blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. If you want any of the sarees to these, or any of the sarees which piping tassel, that can be done, 300 rupees extra for that. Now, as I said, the Bharni ones all over, 8800. In Ghicha Tussar, natural tussar color, all over Bharni painting, gorgeous, very pretty work. See the painting. These, later you can make dari, you can make runners, you can make wall hangings, cushion covers. Beautiful, all pure tussar hand painting in gorgeous, bright, natural dyes have been used, natural paints. Very artistic painting. take the screenshot, whichever you are wanting, whichever you want, and preferably give me a few options. Suppose you just give one picture, then maybe it's sold out. If you give me another option, at least I can tell you, yes, the other one is available. But by the time you select the second one, maybe that is also gone. See this painting again in Ghicha Tussar, all over painting, Bharni work. These team that I have in this Madhubani is extremely good work they do. Neat work, very neat work, very proper finish. যাকে আমরা বলি খুব পাকা হাতের কাজ. So that's the thing. This is the pleats. The whole sari is painted. This is the blouse piece. Once again, the sari. $8800 again, all over. See the painting. Full painting. I'm just showing you the pleat part now. This is the blouse piece border. Number 20, 8800 Tussar. All over. Blouse piece. Back and sleeves will have the paint. Here is the painting. The last one in sari, number 21. The whole sari will be like this, and this is the blouse piece. Sleeves and the back will have the border. See the paint, all Bharni in pure tussar. Full painting, full work. Now 21. Now about my sari. Ghicha Tussar in purple. I'm loving this color. This color has come out so rich. Deep burgundy purple color. Achol. And artistic, why? You know why? Because of this yellow is, you know, it's showing as if it's like Meena work. It will have the running blouse piece with the border, narrow border, and the pleat. See the pleat. The pallu once again. This is 7500. isn't it? 7500. And the neck piece, see, it's a beautiful neck piece, 3990 rupees. With the mala, it is green and blue mala, and see the polki setting, Jora Moyur, double peacock with this earring, peacock, Meena earring, very sweet, very cute earring, long but sleek. And this setting is also very premium setting. 3900 for the set. Now I'll show you some dyed hand painted pure tussar dupattas. See the hand painted dupatta, these are full length, 36 inch width, 2.5 meter, 2.4 meters you can say with the tassel. 2250 wine color hand painted tussar dupatta, pure hand painted Madhubani tussar dupatta, 22A. So in wine I'll show you two colors, just one open, I'm opening you to show you the length and the width. This is the dupatta, the width 36 inch. Okay, so next I'll not open fully, I'll just show you the colors and the painting. Wine, another piece, see the border, see the lower part, the achol part of the pallu. Same price, these dyed ones are all 22B, 2250. 2250 for this. Okay. 22A and B in wine color. '23 rust. See the painting, the border. These go very well with your denims also. In winter you can wear it with, you know, as a stole with, you can gift somebody with your skirts. See the peacock in the two sides. 23A, 23A rust color, 2250, and B is another rust color, just the painting changes. So I have two options in the same color. 2250 pure tussar Madhubani hand painting Ghicha tussar pure. You can see the painting, lovely. Now some sky blue for you. This is 24A, 24A bright Firoza color with painting, looks lovely with black, white, tussar color, red, orange, and also the chiku color, biscuit color, beige color. Fully hand painted, two sides border and the lower side, the daman. See this? Another paint in the same number, Firoza. Now some greens for you. Olive, (25A) 2250, 25A. Check the border. Standard length and width. B, 25B. border, royal blue, traditional hand painted dupatta in pure hand painted Madhuban in pure tussar, ideal for gifting also. 26, this is only one color, one piece I have. 26, 2250, no A and B, only 26 in royal blue. $27 mustard, 27A mustard, did you see the cute birds in the achol part? All the painting, actually just select the color, all the paintings are very pretty. This is B, mustard B, 27B mustard, $27C. I've got 3 mustards. Border, daman, the achol part, the color. Red. This way you can understand. I've just opened 1 or 2 for you to show you how it looks on draping, and now I'm showing you to select the colors and the painting for you to see closely. Red Madhubani, Ghicha Tussar, pure hand painted Madhubani, 28A, red 2250, 28B, bright beautiful red, looks very nice with all shades. See, 3 reds available. $28C. $29A black. I'm sure you will love this color. 29A black. Ideal for table runners also, for wall hangings, in your seaters, in your divan. You can just put it as a showpiece in your divans also. Just to cover the backrest. Looks very nice. I have 2-3 blacks. All the painting are different. This is 29B. Border. This thing. 29C. Black again. 29C. All the colors are same, combinations are same. In black only the paintings are different. See the natural tussar color which last time you really showered a lot of interest on. 30A 2150. This is 2150 30A natural tussar color. Center will have this buta and then this with tassels and piping. 2150. Your full ensemble will change with one dupatta. 2150. C. Two 2150 30D. Last one. So let me open and show you. 30E. So natural, I have 5 pieces. So please send your stars and loves if you're liking the products, and once we receive the transfer, we'll courier it to you. You are making the transfer to my business account, Sanskriti's business account, and proper GST invoice will be sent with each product. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bhalo thakben. Namaskar.